Hi there, this is Paula from Replicon, and these are some of the new features we added in Q3 of 2021. Payroll managers can now be allowed to make ad hoc changes to users' time-off balances. While time off is usually allotted using time-off policies, manual adjustments can simplify such tasks as correcting balance errors or adding compensatory time off. You can also remove time off by including a minus sign before the value. To allow manual adjustments, enable Make Time Off Balance adjustments in Payroll Manager permission profiles. We've added navigation icons to timesheets in the Approver view. These can help approvers move quickly from one timesheet to the next, rather than having to return to the timesheet list after each approval. In Replicon, we now offer a dynamic version of user custom fields, in addition to the existing fixed user custom fields. Unlike the fixed fields, you can add as many dynamic fields as you want. Plus, you can attach files to user dynamic custom fields. Like fixed user fields, dynamic user custom fields display on the main page of user profiles. Administrators can set them up using the User Settings page. In the Payroll Workbench, when you search for a group, like a location or department, we now offer a Show Sub-Location on Search option that returns all the subgroups of that group, rather than simply returning that parent group alone. For example, if you search North America with the new option enabled, Canada, Mexico, and the US, and all of their child groups will be returned, rather than just North America. This new option saves payroll managers from having to scroll through the full group list or search subgroups one by one. When importing data, you might run into problems if your data includes the pipe separator character, since that's the default character for separating multiple values, like multiple users or multiple projects. But we now offer the option to choose a different character to act as the value separator. Just click the settings icon to choose a new character. Note that currently only the pipe separator works for task and group hierarchy imports. Some companies export time for use in third-party tools and require inclusion of a time entry ID. However, the existing time entry ID column in the Time Workbench is too complex for some systems. For those types of systems, we now offer a new short time entry ID. If your users associate custom fields with their time punches, you might be interested in these two new options. You can now associate multiple punch types with each punch custom field. For example, you can associate a custom field with both clocking in and transferring a punch. This should save you from having to duplicate custom fields. You can also now choose which punch a transfer type custom field is associated with, either the old punch or the new punch. We've also launched some new compliance rules. This quarter, we've particularly focused on accrual rules, which determine how much and how often new time off allowances are added to a user's time off balance. And finally, we continue to make big improvements to our Polaris product suite. This quarter, among other things, we've added a new product, Polaris PPM, a product portfolio management solution. It includes Polaris product management functionality, smart match resourcing, smart beats, and more. We'll be adding a set of new features tailored to the PPM market over the coming months.
If you'd like more information, check out Replicon's help at www.replicon.com/help, or select the help link in your settings menu. You can also subscribe to have release information delivered straight to your inbox. To subscribe, select the Customer Community link in Replicon, click Product Updates, and click Follow. Then, click the envelope icon and choose the Every Post option.